Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a unpackaging from Panda Haul Selected. They reached out to me and asked if I would pick out some stuff and use it and do some videos, and I said, sure, why not? I haven't seen any of this, so I thought I would go over it with you. And let's check it out. I know what I picked out, but I can't remember what I picked out. So I did 4 different items. Let's do the fiberglass. So I did these chains. I did them because I thought they would be really cool in a tassel. I'm trying to figure out how to make tassels. We'll be doing a video on it. So I thought these would look fun being on a tassel. Let's see. If I can get this open. So I hope everyone is doing good. I'm recording this after my outing to... Oh yeah, look at that. These are they're tinier than I thought, but they still work really good. So you can put little charms on them. This will be fun. I cannot remember how many are in here, but yeah, this will work great. And they feel really good. So yeah, I was hoping the holes would be a little bigger, but these will look good with some charms on there. We'll just use yeah, that will fit in there, and then put a charm on there. This will work great. So I'm excited to try this. So I will be doing a video with making tassels with this. And the other thing that I got was this, and these are toppers. I don't know the right name for them. I need to look them up. But they go on, I love this little case. So they go on top of a bead, so you can have decorations on them. And look how pretty those are. Oh, wow. Here, let's just open them up and stick them in there. So I'm going to be doing these 2 in a video together. Oh yeah, look how pretty those are going to be on top of a bead. Those are going to be gorgeous. Hope you guys can see that. To add, so what these would do is, for instance, here, let me grab one of my little dangles I made. I've been making dangles. So you would put these right on top of like this bead, and it gives it like a little pretty cap on top. So that is going to be a lot of fun to do. So this has these pretty little sides. These are hard to get open. Here we go. Look how gorgeous those are. Those are pretty. So we're gonna play with these in another video. I'll be doing 2 different videos on how I play. Actually, I'll probably be doing more than 2. They asked me to do 3 videos. One introduction. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's going to be fun. And then 2 craft videos to go with it. I do have, I will link all of these below, the link to them. And I have a discount code. So I think it's $6 off a $60 order, I think. I don't know. They have so many cool things. It was so hard to pick what I wanted. I'm going to have to go shopping on my own. Look how cute those are. Yeah, they had like, especially for making dangles and beads and stuff, they had so fun. And oh gosh, what else? They had beads. They had, this is one of the things I got, which was, I'll open that in a minute. That's for doing wax seals. Oh, look how cute that one is. Oh, I love that. They feel really good quality. Oh, this one I think is my favorite. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. So this is a wax seal, and I thought it would be so fun and perfect for Christmas. So we're gonna make some wax seals to go on some Christmas, but I've never seen a rectangle one, and it's a cute little candy cane. I already had, so the cool thing about this site was that they had tons of different wax seals that you can pick from, but they had ones that had the base stick that you screw in, but I already have a lot of those. So they have different prices. So like this was like, I want to say it was $6 for just this, which for wax seals, I don't know if you guys have looked at the metal stuff, but that's a pretty good price. I don't remember how much these other things are. Let's see if they have them on here. No, I'll have to look them up. But anyhow, that was a really good price for that. I don't remember the price of any of these other things, but I remembered that because I was really impressed. Okay, now I had to get fabric. You know, y'all know I'm a massive fabric junkie, and so I had to get the fabric to see how it is. I thought this would make, we're going to make a cover out of this and make some, oh my gosh, look how cute these are. We're going to make a cover out of it, a patchwork cover, and we are going to make some Christmas fabric clusters with this. So I'm kind of excited. So let's see. Now I'm anal about my fabric. Like I always have to fill it and all that. So this is, okay, it's not quality, but you can totally tell a difference. But for what we do, and look, it's pretty see-through, but for what we do, I mean, that's going to be perfect for junk journals and doing that, because you don't want to, this would not make a quilt. But this will be good for what we do for covers and all of that. Oh, this one feels nice. But look at that. You can see through it, which would look really cool in a cluster, right? So we are going to totally make journal covers out of this. But look at how these cute covers. And I think this was 10 bucks, 9 bucks, 10 bucks. I don't remember how many you get, but that's a really good deal. So, look how cute that is. Okay, I'm looking at these, falling in love. Their prints are adorable. So, how fun would this be for a cluster for April showers? Oh, so fun. That's really pretty. So very floral on all of these, which is fine. That's perfect. Yeah. I am so excited. Love fabric. Okay, let's see. I'm curious about the red and what we can pull out of the red for doing Christmas. Red and green. Oh, look at, perfect. They have some red. Oh, look at how cute those will be for Christmas. Look, they even have Valentine's. That would be fun for a Valentine journal. Okay, these all 3, 4 scream Christmas. I am setting those aside because we are going to have fun with those for Christmas clusters. Oh, look, they even have this in a blue red. I wonder if they have it in the other colors. But oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Sorry, I'm not showing each individual one, or else this would be so long. But oh, look how pretty that is. I love that. A lot of them are similar. But we'll go through these more when I make that video of that reminds me of Minnie Mouse. How fun. So I will go over these more when we figure out what patterns we want for the cover we're going to make. I'm going to make a cover with this. And there'll be more than enough in here for that cover. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Look, more Christmas. Maybe I should have gone through more of this. Oh, look, more Christmas. Isn't that cute? I am so excited for this Christmas print. Oh, look how fun that is. That would be fun for a Americana theme, 4th of July theme. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Ooh, staticky on my hands. Okay. Oh, look at those bunnies. Look how cute. Okay, so a baby journal. This would be really cute to fussy cut this out and use it as a cluster. Like, I love using things like that, fabric, you know, that have a main print, to cut them out and do that. Oh, make it better where I don't have to flip them, right? Have it the right side to begin with. These look old and vintagey. They're probably remakes, but how fun. That's pretty. Okay, these are going to make some fun journals covers. And look, I mean, you get a lot. These are, let's pull out my, I think they're 3 1/4, 3 1/2, or 4. They're about just under 4-inch square. Not bad. Especially like if you don't have a lot of space, these are perfect, because this is like, really, this is, you can't make a good fabric flip out of it, but you can use these for tons of other stuff. I mean, tags, clusters, a cover, yeah, you sew them together and make a fabulous cover, which is what we're gonna do. This will be one of our Sewing Tuesdays. Oh, look how cute that is. That's pretty. So some of these would make really good, look how beautiful that is. See, and again, when I look at a piece of fabric, I go, what can I, you know, one, I go, what can I make with it? 2, I go, okay, what type of cluster, fabric cluster can I make, or how can it be used? This would be really cute as either a fabric cluster, and you could just cut out, you know, these little shapes and use them as your centerpiece in your cluster, or you can use them as a tag. If you're really curious about this one, that would be a cute tag for a teacher. Look how fun some of these. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, we're gonna have to just move that into the Christmas. Some of these would make really good St. Patty Day cards and stuff. That's pretty. How fun. Okay, I'm really excited. We got quite a bit of our, that's part of the red. Oh, that's fun. So I can look at fabric for hours. So we have some fun Christmas fabric to use with our wax seal. We have some fun stuff to do to make a tassel and cover. So the link for each of these will be down below in the description. Again, I got this at Panda Haul Selected. I think I said that right. I will have a thing on there of their little logo on the video. And the link to their website down below and a link to all of these things. Check them out. They have some really good inexpensive stuff. Some of their stuff is pricey. But it's a really good mixture of both. Like this deal of fabric for what we do with fabric is perfect. I mean, look how much and all the different color combinations you get. You can make so many different clusters and tags, and we will be doing that. And yeah, so fun. This will be great. So I hope you enjoyed this. Check them out. I was kind of excited when they reached out to me. And yeah, so I'm pretty impressed with their products so far. I can't wait to dive in and play with them. So I will see you guys next time. And thanks for joining me. You guys are awesome.